mo ba, alam 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 mo ba? Alam mo ba, 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 alam mo ba? Alam mo ba, 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 alam mo ba? Alam mo ba, alam mo ba, alam mo ba? Magandang araw, kamusta po kayo? Ako po si Darna, ang host at creator ng Buhay Tuklas. Samahan niyo po ako sa mga pagtuklas at pagpapakilala at dagdag kaalaman para sa inyong mga manunood ng YouTube video. Nais kong makapagbigay ng saya at konting kaalaman sa inyo bilang isang tagalikha. Halina't samahan niyo ako sa isa na namang pagtuklas at pagpapakilala at ating alamin ang pinagmulan. Zinob Muhammad Ocampo Harake, born December 11, 1998, is a Filipino-Lebanese model, actress, internet content creator, social media influencer, and YouTuber. Early life and education. Harake has 3 siblings, Tara, who passed away in 2015, Wessam, and their youngest, Rana, who is also a YouTuber. Harake graduated from high school in Manila and pursued an associate degree in fashion design. Career. Before she became a full-time YouTuber, Harake used to join pageants, did modeling stints, and worked as a Disney princess for mall events. Harake was hailed as Binibining Kalikasan in their school in 2016, represented the Philippines in a makeup competition, and became a model in Singapore in 2018. A year after that, Harake joined Binibining Parañaque, where she was hailed as the 3rd runner-up. Harake started her YouTube channel in 2019 and reached 6 million subscribers during her first year. As of December 2023, her channel boasts 13.9 million subscribers. Harake made her big screen debut with 2023 Metro Manila Film Festival, Horror Entry Campaign, where she starred alongside Derek Ramsey and Beauty Gonzalez. Personal life. Harake became a mom at 18 when she officially adopted her son. On April 28, 2021, Harake gave birth to her first child with her then-boyfriend Kostek Lee. On April 13, 2022, Harake revealed the heartbreaking news that she lost their second baby, a son. Currently, Harake is dating B-League player Bobby Ray Parks Jr. Zinob Harake has been in the entertainment arena long before she became a popular vlogger. Vlogger Zinob Harake shared her early frustrations as she went through a lot trying to establish a career in the entertainment industry. Zinob is one of the most popular and most followed social media personalities nowadays. Even before she entered the world of vlogging, she had already done a lot of effort in line with her dream to be in showbiz. In a recent interview, based on the article in PEP, Zinob joined pageants, did modeling stints, and even became a Disney princess character in malls. The vlogger said that she started modeling when she was 15 years old. Nag-runway ako, nagpa-pageant ako, nag-Disney princess ako sa malls. Yan ang mga racket na ginagawa ko. Nag-share it ako sa mga brands, sa mga hotels. Nag-bikini contest, she shared. Zinob Harake also shared that she did fire dance before. Aside from this, she also joined several pageants. In 2016, she was hailed as Binibining Kalikasan in their school and this reached the national level. The vlogger also represented the Philippines in a makeup competition before and she also became a model in Singapore in 2018. A year after that, she joined Binibining Parañaque where she was hailed as the 3rd runner-up. That was her last pageant. She recalled that she auditioned in a segment in It's Showtime in which she did a fire dance performance. Eventually, she realized that this field is not for her. Tapos noong time na yun, na-realize ko na hindi ako pang artista. Hindi ako pang ganito. So, natigil na. Nung time na yun, kasi parang hindi ako binibigyan ng chance sa lahat ng sinusubukan kong auditions. Kasi yung nanay ko, pinipila naman talaga ako, tapos extra ako before, Zinob Harake said. Eventually, she found her passion. She became a vlogger with 13.5 million subscribers on YouTube as of writing. Mag-subscribe sa aming channel para sa higit pang nakakangganyo na makasaysayang nilalaman at tiyaking pindutin ang notification bell upang hindi makaligtaan ng isang update. I-like, ibahagi, at iwanan ang iyong mga saloobin sa seksyon ng mga komento sa ibaba. Salamat sa pagsama sa amin sa nakakapagpapaliwanag na paglalakbay na ito.
Hanggang dito na lang mga katuklas ko at umaasa po ako na napasaya ko kayo at nakapagbigay ako ng konting kaalaman. Kung nagustuhan po ninyo ang content, inaanyayahan ko po kayo na mag-subscribe at hit the notification bell para sa mga bagong video na aking ilalabas at paki-like na rin po ang video bilang tulong at pagsuporta sa Buhay Tuklas. Maraming salamat po and God bless.
Alam mo ba, 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 alam mo ba? Alam mo ba, 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 alam mo ba? Alam mo ba, 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 alam mo ba? Alam mo ba, alam mo ba, alam mo ba?